Okay, hello, welcome to my video tutorial. This is a tutorial for Megabyte TV, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you a website called lockerNerd.co.cc. This website was requested by Yorkshire Nerd, who actually owns this website. And what LockerNerd is free web hosting. And if you don't know what web hosting is, say you've got a website, say google.com. Google.com is the name of the website, but you need somewhere to host your HTML files or your website files. So LockerNerd gives you the hosting. So you upload your files onto their server and it uses their name. But if you don't have your own website, say like google.com, they give you a free subdomain. So you can have anything .lockernerd.co.cc. So you can have it test.lockernerd.co.cc. and it's all free. I used to be on AwardSpace, which was also free, but the only problem with AwardSpace is they have a really tiny online file storage, and they only had a 500 kilobyte file size limit per file. So say if you have a megabyte HTML file or a Flash website which is bigger than 500 kilobytes, you can't upload it. So that's a really good advantage of this. So go to register. And you will have to just fill this out quickly. Call it YouTube test, call it test123, email address, site category, pick one of these, site language, put in the security code and go to register. Then click me to continue, and now you'll have to type in this code. So type it in and click register, and it says an account activation email has been sent. So I'll just go and get the activation email. Okay, so as you can see here it says thank you for registering, and you just click this to continue your account, and it says to activate your account just type in this. So hopefully that's right. Yep, and as you can see it tells you all your settings, and you can download a copy of this. And as you can see here it's a PDF, so it saves all your stuff. As you can see it's 100% free. You get a control panel username and password, you get an FTP username and password, you get your FTP hostname, and you get your website. So as you can see here, YouTube test.lockernerd.co.cc. If you want to use your own, say like if you have youtubetest.com, you can insert that in the control panel. So what you want to do, you want to go back to lockernerd.co.cc and go to login, and you have to get this. So if you've forgotten it already, just go back here, go click inbox, and you'll see it's activated, and it will give you your username and password. So I'll just paste that in, and test123 also gives you some other details here, and it says that if you don't upload stuff to your site, it might redirect to something called My Book Face. That happened to me, but then when you upload your files, it will take a bit of time for the server to refresh and it will load to your site. So paste the password in, and as you can see it will log in, and this is really useful. You can check for a new domain. So if you want to buy your own domain, you can check here. So say I want YouTube test.co.uk, to click check now, and take a little bit time to load, and it will go to this website, and it says congratulations, YouTube test.co.uk is available. So if I go back here, it shows you your plan, free hosting, you get even email addresses with it, you get 1 FTP account, 6 subdomains, which is quite a lot. So if I go to subdomain here, you can add your own domain .lockernerd.co.cc, and you can even have it to these. So like you can have it at youtubetest.co.uk 22web.net or something like that, which is quite useful. If I go back home, you can change the emails, change the password, add domains, FTP information, and create new FTP accounts, your MySQL database, which you need for certain things like WordPress and stuff like that. Shows you your account statistics, you can back up your stuff, your email accounts, and there's a lot of different things, which is really useful. So, but say you don't want something wrong like youtubetest.lockerner.co.cc. If you go to www.inwriting.tk and type in your thing here, so youtubetest.lockernerd.co.cc. So next, it'll just take a bit of time, and then so you can call it YouTube test. Not sure if it's available, but we'll just check. FS XKENPD, and you can do anonymous or registered. Confirm. I'll just do anonymous, but if you see it's already been taken. If I do like 2222223, it's for random, I'll just pause it and fill it out, and it says thank you for registering. I would recommend doing the register thing because I just did the anonymous, but it is now done. And when you upload your files via FTP or from here, if you make your own site, you can upload it through the file manager. If I can find it here, online file manager, and you can, if you go to htdocs, then delete this index file here, and then if you go to upload, you can browse a file, find your HTML file, it will upload it to the site, and then it will be done. And you can also do a zip archive, which is like for word space or for some other stuff. You can instantly upload it, which is really useful. So then when you go to, as you can see here, like that's not really any shorter, but when you make your own .tk website, it'll be your website.tk, you'll click it and it'll go to your website. So that's it really. So thanks for watching my video tutorial. I would really recommend lockernerd.co.cc. It's really recommended. So thanks for watching, and please comment, rate, subscribe.